Hey guys, Ragnar back again, and today we aren't doing anything beard related other than this. See this? See it? Look. Look. Look, 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 look. Beard struggle. It's getting cold. Christmas is also around the corner. Yule for all my pagan brethren out there. If you're struggling to find something to get someone, jump on their website. I'll put the links in the below, and don't forget to use code RagnarsBeard for 15% off. As you can see, these hoodies are really nice fitting and really warm. So, today's video, like I said, other than this, isn't beard related. It's Ragnar does crafts. Yep, you heard me right. Ragnar does crafts. I play Magic the Gathering quite a bit with some of my very good friends, in my Vite community anyway. And I came across this on eBay. It's a box that holds 200 plus cards, I think it is. Cost me a couple of quid. I think it was about like, what, 7 quid, something stupid. So I'll link that as well in the description below. So if you want one, if you play Magic, you can go and get one. And then I'm going to build it and we'll see what it's like together. I've got no cards to put in it today. I've left them around my mate's house, but they will go in it. And I'll show you everything when it's all done, finalised. I'm going to see about making a few little adjustments to it, just so that it's a bit more versatile for travelling and things like that. Right, so that's the start. Don't forget, it's beautiful merch. It's beautiful, beautiful merch. It makes everything look good because it fits well. It's 15% off with my permanent code, which is Ragnar's Beard. Oh, I do apologise for this as well. I'm listening to music. It's craft day. No, you're not allowed to listen. Go fuck yourself. But if you want to know, we are listening to Baba Flex. The song is called Sing. Really good band, Baba Flex, one of my favourites. So now we've got all that crap covered, I'm going to adjust you a bit and we're going to crack on. So as you can see, that's everything set out. There's no instructions, so we're going to have to wing it and see what happens. So, let's crack straight on then, shall we? Right, so it's been a couple of hours, been to work, I say a couple of hours, been to work. It's now the next morning. And it's all dry. It is dry, even though it's all shiny still. It is dry, trust me. Trust me. It is very dry. Yes, I made a terrible job with the gluing. But, who cares? It's only to store cards in. Who's bothered? Me? I'm not. And then, there's the lid as well. And you've got the nice detailing on front and back and on top. Da, 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 da. Yeah, this thing's a bloody charger cable. The battery died on it, so I've got it plugged in at the minute. And that's that, all done and dusted. I've got a little jump card. Oop. And as you can see, it fits in with absolutely acres and acres of room. See? Loads of room in that. So that's going to work out well when I start putting my decks in it. Oh, and yeah, that code's been used, so feel free to try again, but you've got no chance. No. Alright. Alright, so that's that then, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just something different for you, just a little bit of a break from the beard stuff. So, that's the box. Da-da-da. All built, all done, all sturdy, all ready to take cards. And like I said, the jumper you can find out the beard struggle. Don't forget to use code Ragnar's beard. It's all that time of year, bloody silly season. So just in case is that person you forgot, or is that person you still need to buy for, I highly recommend going to check them out. And like I said, use my code and you get 15% off your order. And that's a permanent code, it's never going to run out, so you can use it as much time as you like. I'll also throw a link in the description to this bad boy. And everything else. These, that's about it, I think. Yeah. So get out there, you stupid, sexy bastards, and make sure you have a good day. Please try. What else? Do I need to keep... Yes, because otherwise somebody out there will cry because I didn't mention it. As always, it is an absolute honour having you here. Sorry for all the cringe, but you keep coming back, so you're going to keep getting it. Much love to you all. Have a great day, guys.